guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, All Things Mandeme. My name is Mandeme, and today we will be doing product review from Signature Cosmetics. Yes guys, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Signature Cosmetics at all. I am just giving a review of their products. Alright, okay, so first I will be reviewing their palette, eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. I love the packaging. It's just nice, it's girly, you know, it's classy, and I love it because it already has a brush. Like, that's the nice thing. Let's see. This is how the brush looks like. Yeah, and the flat angle side and this one. So I'm not too sure if it will, you know, help me achieve whatever that I want, but I can use my brush. So if you see that the brush is not really gonna do a good job for you, use the brush that you already have. I want to use this, it's called Mocha, the Mocha shade. Do you see it? And yeah, maybe on top I'll also put this, just on top of this, Mocha and Desire. So let's get started. Here's the mirror. I have already prepped my eyes. I've already put concealer, as you can see, is here. Oh, I love the pigmentation, guys. I don't wanna lie. I didn't even take too much, but I already see the pigmentation is good. I think I love it. I really love it. Like I said, I love the pigmentation. I didn't have to like do too much, but I just love how pigmented it is. Next, I'm going to use Desire, just to put a bling on top, because I can see it's blinging. So I'm gonna use this brush that they offered. It comes together with this. So I'm just gonna I just hope it comes out good. Guys, look at this. This is beautiful. I am not complaining. So this will be my everyday palette. Out of 10, I will give them 10 out of 10. I'm not complaining because this is my go-to style, you know? So maybe I'm biased, or my opinion is biased, but I absolutely love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So next up, I will be reviewing their mascara. I didn't use an eyeliner because I want, or you guys won't be able to see properly if it works properly, or if it gives a good volume or not. So if I line my lashes, you won't be able to see it well. So let's review this product. It's called Curl Defining Mascara, Extra Length and Volume. Is it waterproof? I didn't read that. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? So yeah, it's giving natural volume, which I love. But I think it gives a normal mascara. This is what a mascara should do. Next up, we are going to review their Extra Cover Foundation. I already used this, so yeah, I don't know. The kind of review I'm giving is because, you know, other people do not know, you know, they are new to the channel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use my brush. Okay. And this is the shade Caramello, so it's my shade. Yeah, so these are the pumps. See, just few, goes a long way. So as you can see, it's giving me, you know, a natural finish. It is easy to blend. It's lightweight, but I love it because it's giving me the coverage that I need, you know. Would I recommend this for a beginner? Absolutely. Even if you're a pro, I would definitely recommend it for you if you want natural finish, which is what I think we want, guys. Like, we don't want to make makeup an impractical thing, to do a complicated thing, you know. Make sure that when you get to the shop, you ask them to help you. Don't just go and say, I want Caramello, because you are not my shade, right? And when you choose your perfect shade, you make things easier for you, you know, because when you choose a lighter shade or too dark shade than your skin tone, things become difficult. Like, you have to patch here and there, you have to do a whole lot of stuff. But because I chose, or you choose the right shade for your skin, you don't have to do a lot of work to blend, to do what, you know. Even if you do a mistake, it won't be much visible. Why? Because you chose the one that was closer to your skin tone. So this is the coverage I got. I'm absolutely happy with it. I love it. I cannot complain at all. So I love this. And this, guys, I think it goes for 100 Rand. Go get it for yourself. So other things, I'm going to like contour my face. I'm not gonna give any review because I don't have the contouring powder from there. So I'm gonna contour my face and set my face, and then come and review the other products. So I have contoured my face. As you can see, I have already contoured and have set my makeup. So the next product that I'll be reviewing is the Glow Face and Body Bronzing Powder. So a bronzer browns you, like it makes you brown, you know, and it glows. It's glow bronzer. So you're going to glow and shine and be brown and warm, and it's winter, and I think that's what you need. So let's see how it comes out. So this is what we're going to do. I think you must always go lightweight, don't go heavy-handed, just a little bit, or blow, just to make sure that you didn't take extra product, you know. Let's see, and layer it. Wow, it's already working. It's already working. It gives that the natural glow. You know, it's not those shiny, too much shimmery bronzer. You know them, right? Where a person is too shiny. It's not giving that. It's giving the natural finish. I think I love it. When it comes to bronzing, I'm not too sure about the pigmentation of this. It's not too gold, you know, it's not too brown, the brown that I was looking for, but I definitely love it because if you have contoured, you know, your contour is darker and you just put this on top, it actually, you know, works. I think this is good for beginners. If you're a beginner, you can get this so that you know how to layer the makeup. If you don't get the desired shine, you go in, you add, you add, you add. Next up, I will be reviewing their setting spray. It's called Fix Perfect Matte Setting Spray. This is how it looks like. It's how many mils? 60 mils. And then let us spray. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow. It smells fruity. Like, it smells fruity. Like, what kind of fruit? Let me just spray the atmosphere. This is me trying to, you know, figure out the fruit that's in here. They didn't even write. Whoa. Wow. I love the smell already. And I think it's a normal setting spray, just like other setting spray. But because it smells good, it just makes me love it more. So I'll definitely be using this more frequently than my other setting spray, and I might even, if it finishes, I'm gonna go and buy. Guys, all these products my husband bought me. Like, can you imagine? So that's a total review. I gave you the honest review. I did not exaggerate. I did not remove, because if a product deserves a good review, give it a good review, you know. And if it doesn't really deserve a good review, just be fair and honest, you know. Yeah, so that's all, guys, that I have. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let us grow the community. I love you, and bye.